Good day, pupils. How are you doing? I hope you are staying safe. I welcome you to today's class on English Studies, and our topic is active and passive voice. Active and passive voice. Have you heard of active and passive voice? Don't worry. Voice simply means verb. Voice simply means verb. So today we'll be discussing active voice and passive voice. What do I mean by active voice? It is a form of the verb in which the subject is the person or thing performing the action. It is a form of the verb in which the subject is the person or thing performing the action. Have you heard of subject and object? Have you heard of performing and receiving? Let me give you a little illustration. In the sentence, the man killed the rat. In the sentence, the man killed the rat. The man is the subject. The man is the subject. And the man is performing the action killed. The man killed the rat. This is the subject because he is the person performing the action. And what do I mean by action? It means verb. And killed is verb. So the man killed the rat. The man is the subject. The man killed the goat. The man is the subject. The boy slapped the girl. The boy is the subject because it is the person performing the action. So let's go back to active voice. We said it is a form of a verb in which the subject is the person or thing performing the action. Then in passive voice, it is a form of a verb in which the subject receives the action. Two things are important here: performing and receiving. That means in active voice, the subject performs the action, while in passive voice, the subject receives the action. Let's give examples. These are active voice and these are passive. The first one, she delivers the letters. She delivers the letters. This is an active voice. So we change it to passive. Remember, there are rules in changing from active voice to passive voice, but they are not difficult. They are simple rules. The first one is she delivers the letters. The subject, she, delivers, and this is in the present tense. Delivers. Remember, present tense, I told that most times it ends with s. Delivers, cooks, washes, sweeps, prepares. So delivers is in the present tense. The letters, she delivers the letters. How do you change it to passive voice? You ask yourself, what was delivered? What was delivered? You will answer the letters. The letters are delivered. Can you see how you can change active to passive? She delivers the letters. You ask yourself a question, what was delivered? The letters. The letters are delivered. Now, the subject is now in the receiving. Remember, this is the subject, she. You can add by her. The letters are delivered by her, or you can end it with the letters are delivered. Number 2, she delivered the letters. The first one is in the present tense. This one is in the past. She delivered the letters. The letters were delivered. You ask yourself the same question. What were delivered? The letters were delivered. The letters were delivered. Let's have another example. I am making a cake. I am making a cake. How do you change it to passive? Remember, the subject is the one performing the action. It is in active. I am making a cake. I am the subject. I am making a cake. You ask yourself, what is made or what is being made? You answer cake. So a cake is being made by me. You You can write a cake is being made or a cake is being made by me. Let's take another example. I did not beat her. I did not beat her. Did not is in the past tense. Did not beat her. You will ask yourself, what was not beaten? What was not beaten? You answer her. Then, because you cannot start with her because her is in the object, you start with she. She was not beaten by me. I did not beat her. How do you change it to passive? By asking yourself, who was not beaten? You will say her. It will be she was not beaten by me. The last but not the least, the man opened the gate. The man opened the gate. How will you change it to passive? By asking yourself, what was opened? What was opened? Your response will be the gate. So if your passive voice will start with, the gate was opened by the man. The gate was opened by the man. Let's take other examples. I need to ask you a question now. I prepared dinner. I prepared dinner. Can you change it to passive? Can you change it to passive? It's very simple. To be dinner was prepared by me. By simply asking your question, what was prepared? When I say I prepared dinner, you have to say what was prepared? Dinner. Dinner was prepared by me. Dinner was prepared by me. There are several examples. Like my mom swept the house. My mom swept the house. How do you change it to passive? How do you change it to passive? By asking yourself the question, what was swept? The house. So it will be, the house was swept by my mom. The house was swept by my mom. So we'll bring it to an end here. Please don't forget to go to Class Dojo for your assignment.